Powered by Plascon, today's handy hero comes from BUCO Tokai, Cape Town.
BUCO Tokai has been here for a little over 40 years, sort of a legacy store. We've gone from being a dark and dingy traditional hardware building merchant to being a little bit more retail focused, but we try and bring a mix of looking after our contractor customer as well as our DIY customer. We've got very loyal customers and our customer base is growing, so we just love the interaction. A lot of our customers become family. We've got some guys that come in and have a cup of coffee with us in the morning, so we're very much a family business. We also like to sell the advantages of Plascon because the quality of the product, the durability of the product, the affordability of the product, it's all the itties, I suppose, the representation of the people that work for Plascon, that service our store. We've got a really good relationship. They're very like-minded to us. My favorite Plascon product is water-based VulvaGlow. As an enamel, it's a superior product to many other products. My DIY tip is not paint related. It's measure twice, cut once. I believe that anything that you're doing as a DIY project, if you're prepared for it properly, you measure everything correctly and you are thorough with your preparation, your project will always be a success.
Handy heroes powered by Plascon. We've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary, our resilience iconic, and despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.